Here's the technique I want to show you. Basically slapping this fifth and the root on top. I'm using my second and fifth finger. Now, second finger slides from the C sharp. And the wrist motion is like this. At the same time, elbow is going like this. Okay. So this is using the G minor blues scale. Here's the notes. And this blues scale I like to divide into top half and bottom half. Bottom half is from C sharp down, using my third finger to slide C sharp to C. Top half is from C sharp up. Okay, those are all the possible notes. I'm not playing all of them at the same time, but those are the notes. So I've got these, and then coming down. You can practice those separately. The other one. Coming down. Put them together.